meeting. I'm here in lovely Ecuador to attend a conference in the Galápagos Islands that I've been organising with my colleague here in Quito, Dr. Lopez. We've invited about 100 astronomers from around the world to come to the Galápagos Islands to focus our attention on a topic of interest, the outskirts of galaxies, the halos of galaxies, which is a very important topic at this time. So we'll have astronomers coming from many countries around the world, perhaps 20 or 30 countries coming sometime here to Quito and then also going on to the Galápagos Islands for a week. Yes, I loved the Astronomical Observatory of Quito. It was fantastic. Very historical monument, so something you should be very proud of and something you should preserve here in Quito, very unique. So I very much enjoyed my tour of the museum and the observatory itself and meeting all the staff. Definitely a highlight of my visit to Quito, my first visit to Quito. All right, sometimes I'm asked, why the reason for organising a conference in the Galápagos Islands, because it, of course, is so far from many places. But it is a place of scientific discovery, of course, where Darwin made his breakthroughs in evolution. And, of course, many people are conducting scientific research there today. So I thought this would be an excellent place to bring astronomers to discuss about galaxy halos and hopefully make some discoveries of our own. So at that stage, I contacted Dr. Lopez here in Quito because I realized he had organized a conference there before. And the one thing I've learned in this last year since we started this process and spoke to each other is that it's absolutely essential to have a local person involved because there are so many issues to sort out that it's really just very important to have someone here on the ground to sort out these issues and make everything go smoothly. So I'm very much looking forward to a great meeting next week with most of the work done by Dr. Lopez, so I'm very pleased. Thank you. So I'm here at the university in Quito, and I just gave a seminar to a group of people on astronomical fossils. So in astronomy, we have some objects called star clusters that formed about 12 or 13 billion years ago, and we still have them with us today. So they are the astronomical equivalent of fossils. And we've discovered many fossils in that sense over the years since the invention of the telescope in 1609. Now we're finding out that it's actually quite difficult to tell the difference between a star cluster and what we thought of was a galaxy. So now our whole ideas of a galaxy, what is a galaxy, is starting to change, just in the same way that our ideas of actually what is a planet have changed recently.